Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home to this beautiful two-apartment house that is located in Bogue Village community. The house was built in 2005. The apartment to the front comprises of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with an open concept living and kitchen areas, laundry room, and an enclosed garage. The other apartment to the side and on the upper floor comprises of 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, open concept living and kitchen areas, and the laundry room. The property is an ideal income generating property with one apartment currently tenanted. It is also an ideal location for family as Bogue Village is centrally located with shopping and other amenities. It is about 10 minutes from the lovely white sand beaches and 15 minutes to the international airport. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own this multifamily house. Schedule an appointment to view now. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.